Guided mindfulness. Sleeping peacefully when your partner is snoring. Find a comfortable position in bed. Adjust your pillow. Let your body sink into the mattress and allow your limbs to soften. Close your eyes gently. Notice the air as it moves in and out of your nostrils. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Sense the weight of your body, fully supported. There's nothing you need to do right now. Just rest. As you listen, you may hear your partner snoring. Instead of pushing the sound away, take a moment to acknowledge it. Simply notice, here is snoring. Let go of any immediate judgment. It's not good or bad. It's just a sound, a vibration moving through the air. Can you observe it with the same neutrality you would give to the wind outside? The ticking of a clock, or the distant hum of traffic. Now, shift your attention to the rhythm of the snoring. Notice its rise and fall, like waves lapping against the shore. Each inhale, each exhale, part of the ebb and flow of the night. See if you can sync your own breathing with it for a few cycles. Breathing in, breathing out. No need to force anything. Just rest in the natural rhythm of breath and sound. If frustration arises, acknowledge it gently. Here is irritation. No need to push it away. Simply notice where it sits in your body. Does it feel like tightness in the chest? A heat in the face? A clenching of the jaw? Now, shift your perspective. This sound is not an enemy. It is the breath of someone you care about. A sign that they are alive, resting beside you. Imagine their breath as a reminder of warmth, of companionship, a simple presence in the night. If resistance returns, ask yourself, is struggling with this helping me rest? Instead of tensing against the sound, imagine softening around it. Let the sound pass through you like a breeze moving through an open window. Each sound arises, then fades, impermanent, floating by like clouds across the night sky. Now, imagine the snoring blending into a peaceful soundscape. Perhaps it becomes the distant rhythm of waves on a shore. Or the gentle hum of cicadas on a warm summer night. Or the deep, steady breath of the earth itself, exhaling and inhaling. If the sound disturbs you again, simply return to your breath. The sound is here, and so are you, at peace, floating in a vast, quiet space. There is nothing to fix, nothing to change, just sounds, sensations, breath. Let yourself be cradled by the night, safe, warm, supported. If sleep comes, let it take you. If you remain awake, let that be okay too. Either way, you are resting. As you drift towards sleep, take a final deep breath in and out. Whatever arises, let it be. The night will carry you. Good night.